All right, now everyone, so we've learned the hinge, we've learned the deadlift. Now we're going to take that deadlift, and the deadlift will be an important part in learning how to hike. We're actually on our way to learning how to do a 2-arm swing and a 1-arm swing, which are really important exercises to help develop hip power, also strength, right? Also full body strength as well. You can also use it as a conditioning exercise to get your heart rate up, right? Many different ways to really condition yourself with the swings that we'll learn later on in the future videos. Now, to start with the hike position, right, what you want to do is you want to actually measure one of your own feet. So it'll be different for everyone, right? Depending on how big your feet are. You want to stand approximately 1 foot behind the kettlebell. Now, Lucas has an open stance. He's standing with his feet about shoulder width apart. He is now going to go down into that deadlift position. When he's at the bottom of the position, exactly, sitting back, his arms will reach forward. He'll then slightly angle the handle of the kettlebell towards him on a bit of an angle so you can see the front part of the kettlebell is a little bit off the floor. He is then going to give that little tension back through here, pull his shoulders back towards the hips, and he's going to pull that kettlebell back and then put it back in the same spot. And he's going to repeat that 8 times. Breathe, exhale, good. Every time he yanks that kettlebell back, exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Good, right? After 8.